Hi everyone, welcome back to Riri Studio. I'm so excited you're here today. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create your very own custom avatar using Canva. Whether you want one for social media, your YouTube channel, or just for fun, I've got you covered.
So I'm gonna start right here on ChatGPT. Already I have my prompt ready for me to be able to generate the image. So I'm just gonna come here and then copy it and then visit this website. So this website is called FlexClip AI. So this will help us into generating the image. So I'm just gonna come here and then paste the prompt right there, and then I'm just gonna go with the style. I'm just gonna go with the photorealistic, and then I'm just gonna leave it on ultra, and then the ratio size will be 16:9. On the image count, I'm gonna just leave it on 2 and then click generate. Wow, just look at these beautiful images. I can't believe how stunning they turn out. All of these were generated using FlexClip AI, and honestly, the quality is amazing. The details, the colors, everything is just perfect. If you're looking for an easy way to create professional looking visuals, FlexClip definitely delivers. I'm super impressed with this AI. Now we are on Canva. Just head over to the video section and select the landscape format. So what are we going to need to do now? We're going to just scroll down to the apps. So click on the apps and then search DID. DID AI avatar. So I'm going to click right here, and then I'm going to choose the first one. Okay, so this is where you're gonna need to upload your image. So I'm gonna just upload the image right here. Let me just check. Yeah, this is the image I'm looking for. So then you're gonna need to scroll down. So if you have your own audio ready, you can just click right here to upload it. But if you've got the text like I do, you can just paste it right here. Okay, then you can just scroll down and then you choose the voice of your favorite. Okay, so there are lots of voices that are actually available. Let's click see all. Then you can just preview the voices and then just choose the one you want. Okay, and then you can just come here also, and then you can choose the country of your choice. I'm gonna go with South Africa, so I'm gonna just listen to this too.
Welcome back to Riri Studio. I'm so excited you're here today. Grinning face with smiling eyes. In this video,
Okay, the voices, I'm actually not happy with them. They sound robotic. They don't sound like the voice that you can use. So these voices are actually not a good voices to use. So let me just come here and then to see all, and then just select a different voice from a different country. Let me just go with Nigeria, and then listen to the voices from Nigeria. Okay, so I believe okay, it's only, let me just go with Tanzania, and then let's just listen to.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Riri Studio.
No, it's actually a no. So since the voices here are not suitable for us, then we're gonna move to the next place where we can be able to generate the voice that will not sound robotic. MiniMax audio. So we're going to be using a MiniMax by a Hailu AI. I'm gonna come here to text to speech. I'm just gonna click here. So I'm gonna paste the script here, and then I'm gonna come here to the model, and then I just need to make sure that I'm using the best one, the best new one, ultimate similarity, ultra high quality. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and then come here to the voices. I'm just gonna click right here to the voices, and then I go through those voices. This is what you need to do. Go through the voices and then choose the right voices for you. Then after you just select that voice that you want to that you want to use, you can just click use, then it will be selected. And then what you need to do, you can come here to the audio speed if you want to increase the speed. Then when you are done, you can come here to click generate. Okay, let's just go through the results and then listen to how this lady will speak. Okay,
Hi everyone, welcome back to Riri Studio. I'm so excited you're here today. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create your very own custom avatar.
Okay, she sounds very interesting. She sounds calm and natural, so that's what we are looking for. We don't want those robotic sounds. They're not nice at all. So when you are done, you can just come here to download the audio so that we can be able to use it on Canva. So we're gonna come back here into Canva and then click on here on the audio, and then I'm just gonna choose the voice that we just created now on MiniMax AI. So this is the voice. Open, and then it needs to be we're gonna wait for it to be available into this platform. Okay, so then after that you can come here to this generate presenter. So click right there. Then you just need to wait for some few seconds until it generates your avatar. So now our avatar is ready. It will automatically comes to the canvas. So it will automatically comes here on this canvas. And then what you're gonna need to do, you can just click on you can just drag it like this so that it can cover the whole canvas. Okay, so let's just listen to the results.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Riri Studio. I'm so excited you're here today. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create your very own custom avatar using Canva. Whether you want one for social media, your YouTube channel, or just for fun, I've got you covered.
Okay, then when you are done, you can just come here to share your video. So now I'm just gonna create another one just to show you on how to actually remove. I just remove this DID watermark that was all over the image. So I just made so I just want to make another video just to show you on how to do that with Canva Pro. So I'm gonna just click right here and go back to DID app. Here it is, and then I'm gonna be using the very same image. I don't need to do another one. Then I'm gonna just delete this one and then choose another file. So I'm just gonna go back and then click on this and choose so that I can choose another one. So this will be the one that I'm going to be using, and then let me just bring it into the website, into Canva. Then I just come here to generate. Okay, so now it's generated. Then we can just put it nicely here, and then as you can see, this has a lot of a watermark, DIDs all over the video. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you on how to remove it so that you don't lose the whole of your image background. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here to the background remover. Okay, it's done. The image will look like this. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna just go to my uploads, and then you can just upload the very same image that you have just used to generate this video. So this is the image. So I'm just gonna come here to edit, and then come here to the magic grab. So you're only gonna use this